Hello, good morning to everyone. Once again, I welcome to everyone. So look at here. In yesterday we have already finished up to question number 17. Now today we are start with 18 question. What is given? A spiral. Everyone know what is a spiral? It is a spiral or not like this one? It is like a spiral. A spiral is made up of a successive semicircle. A spiral is made of with successive means continuous semicircles. Everyone know what is semicircle? It is semicircle. Half of circle is semicircle. With alternatively at A and B. It means there is a two center is given here. One time alternate means one time A and one time B. Starting with center A. So we start with center A, radius how much? 0.5. So take the center A with radius 0.5. So how much radius? It is 0.5. One time A center, next is B center. And what is radius? 0.5 after it 1 centimeter. From here it is 0.5, you know. From it is also 0.5. So from here to here 1 centimeter. Understand here? Now radius 1.5 with center A. We know from here to here 1 centimeter. 1.5, 0.5 to 1, 1.5. So from it is center here to here. We will draw like this one. So you can draw. Again now 2 centimeter. Center. Everyone know. From here to here 1.5, here to here 1.5, but it is 0.5. 1.5 plus 0.5, 2. Now B is center, so it is B center. Understand? And it is shown in figure like this one. What is total length of such a spiral made up of a 13 consecutive semicircle? How many semicircle? 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this one, how many circle? 13 semicircles. Understand here? And every time, one time radius first 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3 like this one. And what is total length? Everyone know it. Suppose it is a circle and it is a spiral. The circle is made up of a wire. So what is length of wire? Outer boundary of the circle is total length of wire. And what is outer boundary? Circumference. Okay, but it is circle and here is semicircle. So we will find circumference of semicircle. Understand? So we will write first. We will write circum. So you can write length of semicircle how much? 2 pi r is semicircle of circle divided by 2. How much? Pi r. Understand? Understand or not? So you can write first. What is radius of the first? It is 0.5. So we will find length of first spiral. What is length of the first spiral with center A? With center A, how much radius? 0.5. Pi into 0.5. 0.5 mean dear 1 upon 2. So what is length? Pi upon 2. What is pi upon 2? Next is we will find length of second semicircle with center B. When we take A is center, radius is 0.5. B is center after it, radius is 1 centimeter. Pi into r. So pi into 1. How much? It is pi. Same as it is length of third semicircle. You can write semicircle, how much? Pi r. After it, how much? 1.5. 1.5 mean pi into 1.5. Remove decimal, 3 upon 2. 5 3 are 5 2. So what is? It is 3 upon this one. So we observe that what is their length is come. The length of first semicircle pi by 2. Next is pi. Next is 3 pi upon 2. Same as it is, you will find length of the fourth semicircle. It will come 2 pi. Like this one, how many semicircle? It is given up to 13. 13 semicircle. So after it, dot 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 up to 13. And we want to find what is total length. Total length mean we will add them all. Understand or not? Add mean we have to find the sum of all these semicircles length. So we will write we know that Sn equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Understand? It is formula. Next is Sn. How many total circle? 13. So we will find S13. 13 divided by 2. 2 into a. A is pi upon 2. Plus n is 13 minus 1. D. D, how is D? So D, pi minus pi by 2, it is also pi by 2. So you can find here if you want to find D. After it, you will write it. D is pi minus pi upon 2. Second term minus first term, it will come pi upon 2. Okay? So it is also pi upon 2. Understand here? So S13 divided by 13 upon 2. 2 cancel 2. Pi plus 12 minus 1. 13 minus 1, 12. 12 into pi divided upon 2. Now, it is in multiply, so 2, 6. So it is, you can write S13 equal to 13 divided upon 2. Multiply pi into 6 into pi, 6 pi. 6 pi plus pi, 7 pi. So what is 13 into 7? 91 upon pi upon 2. So what is the total length of semicircle of 13? 91 into pi upon 2. It is your answer. Understand? Otherwise, if you want to write pi value, you can write pi values also. What is pi value, dear? 22 upon 7. How much? 27. So otherwise, you can write, if you want to write 91 into 22 into 2 into 7. 7 into 13 into 11. 13 into 11, 143 centimeter. Because radius is given in centimeter. So what is length? 143. Only what we will do? It is very simple, dear. Only we will find, because what is total length of such spiral made up of 13? So first we will find this one length. It is only this one. First we will find by this formula. Pi by formula pi into r. Pi into r is 1 upon 2. Because 2 pi r is semicircle and half is, because we are using only this one. Understand? Next semicircle. This one find length. Third is this one we find. Every time it is a circle. Understand, dear? Please note down it, dear. Now, dear, next question. Question number 19. What is given? 200 logs. Logs mean wooden pipe. This one, these are like a pipe. It is a wooden logs. Okay, 200 logs. How many logs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? Like this one, they are 200. Are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row. Bottom row is this one. It is bottom row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. It is how many? 20. And in second row, 19. Next is 18. So and so on. And we have to find how many rows? First row, second row, third row. How many rows how many rows 200 logs placed. We have to find if total is 200 logs, so how many rows we have to place it, because in first is 20, next is 19, third one is 18, 20 plus 90 39, 39 plus 18 how much 57. So it's mean if I ask you how many rows is need to place 57 logs, so how many 1 2 3, but here how many logs total is 200 logs. So it's mean A equal to 20 and D equal to 90 minus 20. How much? Minus 1, dear. And Sn, total logs, how much? Total is 200. And what we want to find? N, number of rows. We want to find how many number of rows. It's very simple, dear. Understand? Everything is given, only it is given the sum of all logs is 200. We have to find N, number of rows. So right, we know that Sn equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Only if you understand the statement you can solve yourself. Understand here? Sn 200, n value we want to find, a value 20, 2 into 20 plus, and we want to find d value minus 1. 200 n upon 2, 40 plus positive into negative, negative plus 1. Understand here? So it is 200 into another side, multiply 200 into 2, it is 400, n into 40 plus 1, 41 minus n, multiply it 400, 41 n minus n square. So it is become a quadratic equation, and we want to find n value. Minus n square another side positive, it is also negative, plus 400 equal to 0. So you can find, so it means we have to find its root. We want to find value its n value. So we can find either by splitting the middle term or by quadratic formula. N square, sum of two number is 41 and product is 400. So it is become minus 25 and minus 16n plus 400 equal to 0. 25 plus 16, 41, and product 20, negative into negative, positive. 25 into 16, 400. So take common n minus 25, and what is common? Again we will take same as it is common. We will take common in the bracket will become same, n minus 20, n minus. So what we will take common? It is negative, but we need positive. So therefore we take a negative common, equal to 0, equal to 0. Next is here, what is common? n minus 25, n minus 16 equal to 0. It's mean product of two number is 0. It's mean either first is 0 or maybe second is 0. So n equal to 25, or next is n equal to 16. So how many number of rows? Maybe so 25 or 16. So it is possible or not? Now we will check it. N equal to 25. If the total number of rows are 25, and in next is n is 16. So we have to find how many rows, how many logs are in the top row. Total rows 25. It means in the rows of 25 number of logs are present. So we will find an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We want to find now an value, how many number of logs. So an we want to find. So it's a value dear 20 plus n value how many? 25 minus 1 into minus 1. Next is an equal to 20, 25 minus 1, 24. 24 into minus 1, it is minus 24. It means an equal to minus 4. It means how many logs are in the 25th row? How many? Minus 4. And number of any time, if I ask you how many books, it will be never become negative, because always number of, how many number of bottles, how many number of fans in our school, will never become negative. Same as it is number of logs, 1 2 3 4, it is always become positive. But here nth value how much come? Negative. So you will write, therefore an equal to minus 4 is not possible. So therefore n equal to 24 is also not possible. So it means n equal to 25, number of rows 25 never become. Understand? So what we will, n is 16. So now we will write a value 20 plus n value now 16. 16 minus 1 into d is minus 1. An equal to 20, 16 minus 1, 15. 15 into minus 1, minus 15. So an equal to how much? An is 5. How many? An is 5. So how many number of logs in the 16th row? How many? 5. Understand? So note down dear. Understand or not? So in last you can write one line. Total number of rows 16 and number of logs in the 16 rows is 5. Understand dear? Understand or not? So it is your answer. So please note down it. Now dear, last question of this exercise. 20 question. What is given? In a potato race, there is a potato. It is very simple dear. Only you have to understand whatever given in the question. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point. Suppose it is at starting point and bucket is there, which is 5 meters from the first potato. The distance between bucket and the first potato is 5 meters, and other potatoes except then first potatoes, all are the 3 meters apart. 3 meters, 3 meters, 3 meters, 3 meters, 3 meters apart in a straight line. They are in a straight line, and total there are 10 potatoes. How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So like this, how many potatoes? There is a 10 potatoes. So what we have to do? A competitor start from the bucket. A competitor is standing is here. A competitor is standing is here at the starting point. Pick up the nearest potato. See, he will pick up the nearest potatoes and runs back with it and drop it in bucket. So look at what is meaning of this one. So first we will write, dear, distance of the first potato, second potato, third potato. How much distance between the bucket and the first potatoes, second potatoes, third potatoes? Okay. So what is given? Distance of the first potatoes. The distance of first potatoes from the bucket. So how much it is? 5. 5 or not? Is 5. It is 5 or not? The distance between bucket and second potatoes, from here to here 5. 5 plus 3, 8. From here to here how much? It is 8 or not? 5 plus 3, 8. Next, from here to here 5 plus 3 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So next is 14. Every time we observe that it is 3 is increased. Understand? But there is one more rule is given in the question. Competitor start from bucket. So now we have to find how much distance covered by competitor. You will say, sir, 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus 14 plus this one and up to 10th term. It is our answer. No dear. Look at what is given. A competitor start from here. You are here and start from the pick up the nearest potato. You will go from here to here. How much distance you will cover? 5 meter, and runs back with it. You went 5 meter, and again you will come 5 meter, and runs back with it and drop it in bucket. You start from here and you go from here. You take the first potato and again come to the bucket and you drop the potato. So how much distance? So distance covered by competitor to drop first, second and third and 10th potatoes in the bucket is. So it means how much distance you covered from for the first potato. You went from here to here 5 meter and again you come. 5 plus 5 is 10. Understand here? Now you start from here, you went from here and again come. Now you distance 10. Again you will here. Now and next is given, runs back with it, drop in the bucket. What is total distance? So nearest potato, so runs back. So again dear, again you reached here. Now this potato we already drop it. Now which one is? Now turn off the second potato. You start from here and you went from here to here. 5 plus 3 8 and again you come for 8 plus 8 it is 16. Understand? Again you will reach here. You will start from here to here. How much? 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11 and 11 you will go and 11 you will come again. 11 plus 11 22. Understand? And otherwise it's mean we observe that what is distance between one first potato and bucket is 5. Then how much distance is covered by the competitor? Double of it. 5 plus 5 into 2 10. 8 into 2 16. 11 into 22. Next is 28 and up to 10th potatoes. So we will write one formula. We know that Sn. So total distance mean 10 plus 16 plus 22. So Sn equal to dear. You can write n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So you can write a value 10, d value dear 6 and n value is total is 10. Understand dear? D is 6 or not? 16 minus 10 6. So we will write S 10 equal to 10 upon 2 2a 2 into a 10 plus n minus 1 10 minus 1 into d. D is 6 dear. So it is 10 cut by 2 5 20 10 minus 1 9 54. So it is 5 into 74. 5 into 4 27 30. So how much distance covered by the competitor? So we will write total distance covered by competitor 370. Otherwise dear you can find answer by this AP also. A is 5, D is 3, but in last we will multiply by 2 because it is we find from only one time. So again, so if you will use this AP, we will multiply by 2. Understand why we will multiply 2? Because we are cover this distance 2 times. Understand here? Now, so we have already finished this chapter also, dear, and one more thing, 14, 15, and your homework is also example 14, 15, 16 dear. Understand? You have to note down your notebook. So we have already finished this chapter, okay? So we have already finished till now 5 chapters. Chapter number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 dear. Understand? I hope you understand this chapter very well. Understand? And if you have any problem, please dear ask to me. No need to sigh, okay? Please ask to me.